Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And today I wanted to try a juice smoothie, I guess you want to say. This smoothie is good for being very good for having antioxidants, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it's good for detoxification. It's good for weight loss. It's good for a lot of things, and I will be sure, as always, to put the information in the description. And so for a lot of my recipes, especially my smoothies, you can always use coconut water instead of water. So for this recipe, I'm going to use some bananas, and I'll be sure to put the recipe in the description, of course. I'm going to use some apple. I am using some raw beets, okay? I made sure I cut my beets up, so we'll see how it goes. I am using some cinnamon and some chia seeds. I'm also using some strawberries. You can already see the beets on my fingers. Okay, so now we're going to put the ingredients inside of the blender. So I'm putting the water in. To put the bananas in. I'm going to put the chia and the cinnamon in. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to blend this up first, and then we'll put the other ingredients in. Put the apples in, and we're going to put these beets in here, okay? And we are going to put the lovely strawberries in. Ooh, so beautiful. Look at the fuchsia color. And so, of course, when it comes to juicing or blending or anything like that, you're going to adjust it. Definitely going to adjust it to what works for you. But for this video, we are just going to go ahead and pour it. I know that I'm going to enjoy this just the way it is. But remember, you can always adjust if you need to. Right? And so, look at the color. Ooh, look at that. It's so rich. And these were raw beets, divines. Okay, divines. And so in this lovely divine smoothie, what do we have? We had water. You can use coconut water. We have beets, raw beets. We had chia seeds and cinnamon. And we also had strawberries, and we had bananas, right? We had apples. We had all those amazing ingredients. And now we are going to try it with my lovely red fingers. Okay, let's try it. This is really, really good. I actually forgot to add the lemon. I have some lemon here. It would have given it even that much more amazing zest. But the apples are so amazing how it tastes with the beets and the strawberries. This is so divine. This is actually way better than I expected. And I expected it to be really good, but this is a really delicious smoothie. I really, really want you to try it. As always, divines, I want you to continue to be blessed, be well, be true to yourself. Peace, divines. This is really, really, really good. And be sure to check out my other smoothies